Okay, so today we're diving into the FDA's new draft guidance on using AI for drug and biological product decisions. I have Guillaume Gigon, Vice President Technology and AI at Innovaderm, here to discuss the topic with us today. Thank you for joining us, Guillaume.
Thank you very much. I'm very happy to talk about it today.
Amazing. So here we have the guidance. What can you tell us about it?
Well, first, I like it. I like it because, let's be honest, sometimes FDA guidance can be very heavy and complex, and you need like a couple of times before you understand everything. This time, I really enjoyed. It's easy to understand. I went through it, and one pass was almost enough to understand it. And what I like on it is the process that it explains. It's almost like a business case where you explain what you need to think about it when you have to start a project. It doesn't matter if it has to be submitted to the FDA at the end, but it's the type of question when you start an AI project that you should ask yourself. So I
Definitely.
like it.
Yeah. Okay, there is a certain section of the guidance that goes over the risk of such a project. Can you elaborate on that?
Yeah, so risk is of course very important on this type of project, and you know AI will, by definition, include more risk because it's going to generate new type of data or information that it's easy to think it is correct, but you have no clue and you cannot really verify. So by having this risk approach, you need to mitigate the risk. And again, I like the fact that within the document, they use two examples. So within these two examples, you can see one project as a low risk because you have mitigations and you can see and control the result. There's no impact or low impact versus the other one where you have no clue and no way to control the output. And then if the output is wrong, then there is a huge impact for the patient safety or the output of the trial. So it's very important that when you look at the project, you look at the definition, you look at your expectations, but also you look at what is the true output and risk for this project.
Definitely. And looking here at the AI model, what would be your take on the AI model?
Yeah, so that's a huge part on this
Mm-hmm.
document, and probably for someone who is new in the AI world, this is the most complex section because there's a lot of tricky word which who seems to be complex. But the good thing is you need to have this discussion and need to have this thinking. Most of the company, it will be probably the first time they will start an AI project. So they have no clue what it is. And they don't have the internal resource to develop the project. So they will contact vendors, outsource the development of this AI project. And if they don't have this discussion with the vendors, they will not be in control. They will not understand how it works. And again, going back to the risk, they will receive an output, not really understanding what they need to do with this. So forcing the sponsor of the project, discussing with the person who is programming the AI model is very important. It's going to be a learning curve. It's going to take time sometimes, but these discussions need to happen. So it's a very good thing at the end. Also, they detail what are the different data sets that needs to be used. And it's a good step because they need to be prepared to provide the different data sets to the vendor.
Definitely. So I think this covers our topic for today. Thank you so much, Guillaume, for taking a moment to go through the guidance with us and giving us your opinion. So until next time.
Amazing. Always a pleasure talking to you. Have a good day.